Hello everyone, this is speckyfoodie. Today's menu will be tomato pasta. Tomato pasta with homemade tomato sauce. Simple and quick, easy and delicious. Let's go cooking! Here's the ingredients you will need. Let's prepare the ingredients. Cut the broccolis and hams into small sizes. And that's all for the preparation, and the cooking begins. Add a touch of olive oil and salt into a pot of boiling water. Add in the pasta and cook for around 10 minutes or until al dente. Add a touch of olive oil in the frying pan. Add in the hams and cook slightly until golden brown. We are using honey apple flavored ham. You can use any kind of flavor as well. Add in the garlic and stir till the fragrance is out. Pour in the broccoli and cook till soft. Add in the pasta, and if it's too dry, add some pasta water as well. Finally, add in the tomato sauce and mix them well. You can see how to make delicious homemade tomato sauce at the link above. And it's done. Let's eat! Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click on like if you like the video. Let us know what food you would like to see in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Cheers!